once again.
Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use Lucky Patcher without roots. And this trick can only work on Android, okay? For apps. So let's open Lucky Patcher. Let's choose the app or patch. Or cookies. The read app for let me go back so again click on the APK file, tap on it, then we get for in app or VL emulation. Tap on support patch for VL emulation. Then it be the app. It's gonna take a couple of minutes to finish, okay? And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because you're gonna be missing. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use it to get premium version of apps.
Check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta check me your back. I got hundreds on my neck and I got shoes on my ass. Nigga said I'm going broke while I just take it and laugh. I be speeding in that foreign with 5-0 on my ass. But I'm that nigga, I won't never change. Rubbing off the pain, smoking dang. Got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Free Latte, no he keep a K, but he not take K up the chop and let it blow and watch this bitch eat his face. I'm that nigga, and all my young niggas pulling triggers. We gorillas, we let this bitch off until you feel us. For you niggas that's always on IG with them yiggies taking pictures, is you really gon' use them or you just loafing for them bitches? You niggas really hoes and you be acting like these bitches. You niggas say I solid, but I probably in there snitching. Most of the niggas that's around me throwing seeds like they crippin', but they do it for the twins, free Lil Corey and Lil Kristen. But I'm rocking with my shooters and that's mandatory. One up top like I'm Mozzie, bitch, I keep a 40. You say I'm lacking, nigga, try me, shoot you in your shorty. I'm cooking up in the lab like I'm Rick and Morty. 40 popper, hit a mobster, turn your brain to pasta. Hit a oppa, dread swinging just like I'm a roster. Smoking ganja and I'm zooted, walking in my Pradas. Any nigga test my gangster, nigga, I'm a popper. And we ain't throwing hands with you fuck niggas. It's one up top up in that chamber, better duck, nigga. Niggas dissing on Lil Valley, he get slumped, nigga. We shoot his body, then we lay him in that trunk, nigga. 100, bitch, that's on my life. I won't never.
So, you see, you shouldn't feel mine because I've already patched this app. If you've not patched it at all, it's going to show success. So, you press go to file, and start install, then yes, uninstall with cookies. I'm not saying you should use with cookies, I'm just using with cookies as an example, okay? You don't do any game except for Doku Drive. That game is kind of difficult, like, you know, there's a separate video for that, okay? So you open the video, sorry, the game. I'm not getting myself lost there. I'm going to the easy my gym. Who do you think I am? My trio or what? So guys, I'm gonna tell you something, okay? I don't have internet now, so sorry, I don't have it now, but by next video I'll have internet. So if you do have internet, if you reach this stage for buying coins, just tap on it and Lucky Patcher will bring the notification that if you transfer purchases to Lucky Patcher, then press yes, and voila, you should get your coins, diamonds, or whatever. So next video I'm gonna have internet by then, but please don't forget to like and subscribe, and so you will not miss my interesting contents, okay? So thank you guys, bye.
Because they're gonna taste my Turn up.